ECFX Notice is an enterprise notice management system that automates the processing of all federal and state electronic court filing notices, enabling your firm to focus on the work that your clients value. So here's an example of a notice from Pacer. This one came from the U.S. Bankruptcy Court from Arizona. We have in here also notices from File and Serve Express. So you'll notice that they have similar information, different layouts, different links, but all of them require you to log into the court's website and download the documents. This takes time and effort. It could take 10 minutes. It could take an hour if there's 100 exhibits. Looking notice like this. So you'll see here that we have the client matter number information in here, which of course is not provided by the court. So our system matches that together to find that information. We attach the document that you would have had to download yourself, and we send it out to all the members on the team. In fact, here we can see the Schiff Hardin team that received this particular notice. We'll be talking about Schiff Hardin here in a couple minutes. So all of this is done in seconds without any human needing to be involved at all. Manually processing ECF notices is costly and time-consuming. Firms waste thousands of hours downloading documents, profiling them, putting them in a document management system, finding the distribution list for the case team so they can distribute the notice to the people on the case team. Oh, yes, remember to update the docketing team, make sure that they're aware of it. And all of that takes valuable time that can be focused on truly value-added work. Firms can't bill for this work. I like to say that law firms still have switchboard operators, except instead of routing phone calls around, they route emails around. We've created the automated digital switch, which will make that faster and simpler. ECFX has already helped major law firms solve issues around manual processing of court notices. A great example is the partnership we engaged in with Schiff Hardin out of Chicago. This is an AM Law 100 firm with offices in multiple locations. And the problem they had is they have attorneys that practice in multiple jurisdictions. They estimated that between 1% to 4% of their emails were mishandled in some way. It could be that there was a delay in processing, could have been that somebody simply misnamed the document when they filed it into the document management system. Or they did send the notice to docketing, but they didn't put in the document management system. There are multiple ways in which little errors can be made. We have eliminated those errors with ECFX. Not only that, as one partner, as Schiff Hardin said, it's a game changer for those that practice in multiple jurisdictions. Having the notifications right there, documents downloaded, consistent whether it's for state or federal court, is amazing. The attorneys absolutely love it, and we have worked with them to help distribute it across all of their offices. ECFX Notice integrates to multiple systems inside the firm. This is truly where it has an advantage over other solutions. First of all, we import data from the case management and time and billing system into ECFX, so you don't have to rekey it. So we pull in the case information, the matter information, client information, timekeeper information, and keep all of that synchronized. What this means in effect is that when a notice comes in from the court, we're able to look at it, go, oh, it's for this case number, for this jurisdiction, that belongs to this particular matter. This allows us to distribute the notification to the right people on the case. And as that team changes over time, we continue to distribute it to the correct attorneys and other staff. And it allows us to identify workspaces within a document management system where the documents are to be stored according to the policy established by the firm, which is the next touch point. We can store documents in multiple locations inside the firm. And since it's automated, it doesn't require human labor. When our clients implement ECFX Notice, they see benefits almost immediately. The first benefit they see, of course, is the lack of the tedious work of downloading the files. Just getting them already attached to an email is a huge benefit, and clients absolutely love that. The next benefit they see is the consistency of locating the files and the naming conventions we can apply. We can apply your particular format for document naming and your particular abbreviations. So, for example, if you always say that we want motion for summary judgment to be abbreviated MSJ, we do that automatically, consistently across every single document that comes in. This is something that's very hard to accomplish by training staff to do it. Attorneys love ECFX Notice. I have to say, some of the best feedback we get about the product comes directly from attorneys themselves. First of all, the documents are right there immediately. There's no need to log into a website to download them. Second of all, they're also in a document management system. I have been impressed by the number of attorneys that actually use the document management system regularly and love having the documents in a consistent location inside the DMS. It makes their lives much easier, and they don't have to wait for administrative personnel to put it into the DMS.